It's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and welcome to another TikTok tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the brand new TikTok feature called TikTok Now, how you can actually get this feature, how to use it, and what its purpose is. But before we do get into that, if you guys would go down and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, it'd mean a ton, as I'm trying to hit that 100,000 subscriber mark. We just hit 90,000 subscribers a couple days ago, and I'm only 10,000 away from that silver play button. So please, if you could help me out by subscribing, it would mean so much. Let's get right into this video. TikTok Now is essentially BeReal. If you've not heard of the app BeReal, it's really massive right now, and the way the app works is that once a day at a random period of time, you'll take a picture of whatever is in front of you, whatever you're doing, and you'll have a limited time period to then post that picture to your BeReal feed. I'm sure most of you guys have heard of BeReal before, but that's essentially how it works. And TikTok Now is essentially a direct replica of BeReal. It's like an exact copy, and it's very clear that TikTok was trying to capitalize on the BeReal hype and decided to implement it into their own app. And I could honestly see this doing very well on TikTok, because hey, who doesn't currently have this app installed? And why not just eliminate the third party, which is BeReal, and install it into your app? So the application is currently out for all North American users who have their TikTok app updated, and it should be rolling out to the rest of the world very soon. I'm actually happy about this because usually where I'm from in Canada, we don't get the updates or the new features until a couple weeks later than the US, but this time we actually got it right away, so I'm happy about that. So when you log into your TikTok app, if it's already updated for the TikTok Now feature, you'll see this Now button in the bottom of your screen. When you click that, it may ask you to open up your settings and turn on notifications. This is really easy. You just want to go to your settings and scroll all the way until you find TikTok, and then you want to select notifications, and you need to turn that on. It's going to ask for what type of alerts you would like. This is all subjective. I'll just do lock screen, and I'll have sounds on. So now anytime the TikTok Now notification goes off, I'll know to head over to TikTok and send that picture. So as you guys can see, this is my Now page right now, and you'll see all these other posts from different users, and you'll notice I can't actually see their images until I post my TikTok Now. So I'm going to select the post button right here, and right now it states tap for a photo or hold for video, but you actually can't take videos at the moment. I'm sure this will be in a new update, but it's only photos. So I'm just going to take a photo of the black screen right now. And you'll actually notice the timer in the top is counting down. It's at about 2 minutes and 10 seconds right now, and this is how long you have to take the photo. So it's supposed to be like spontaneous. You're not supposed to set up the photo. It's supposed to be exactly what are you doing right now. That's the whole concept. It's identical to BeReal. So I'm going to take that photo, and then you're going to notice it's going to take a photo of your front-facing camera as well. Now, if you tap the front-facing camera, you can actually switch to choose which photo you would like to be your main photo. So it can either be the front-facing or the opposite. So I'm just going to set the main photo to be the front-facing, which was the black picture I took, and I'm going to hit the check mark at the bottom. And just like that, my TikTok Now has been posted, and we can scroll down and see other people's TikTok Nows. As you can see, a lot of other people are doing like these black screens. Probably everyone just trying to figure out how it works. But yeah, that is TikTok Now. It's still in very early development. There isn't a whole lot of features. You can't like or even comment on other people's TikTok Nows. And the only thing you can really do is just report someone's Now photo. Now, if you want to go and check your likes or your comments, you can just go to your post and view the comments and likes. You can also go to your Now memories and you'll be able to go back in time and view every single now post that you've posted to your account. Now, obviously, we only have the one memory just because the feature just came out, but this is a really cool, almost like time-safe album where you can go back at the end of the year and look at all of the memories that you've made. Now, this is also another feature that BeReal has, and I'm honestly surprised that TikTok isn't getting sued by BeReal, because this is just a straight copy of the app. Like, everything on it is a replica. All the features are the exact same. Even the layout is similar. It is kind of ridiculous that BeReal can't have some type of ground to sue TikTok, but hey, I guess that's the name of the game. Now, in my opinion, do I think this will be a feature that will take over in the future of TikTok? And no, I don't think it's replacing the For You page anytime soon, but I do think this is going to be a fantastic competitor to BeReal, as it's the exact same type of feature as the BeReal app. Additionally, on TikTok now, you can actually take videos instead of just images, which I think is very cool and definitely a feature people would want to see. But as far as growing your social media account and becoming like a TikTok Now influencer, or trying to grow a following through your TikTok Now, I don't really think it is going to be a primary solution to gain followers. I think TikTok Now is more suited for just your close friends, just to see what your friends and school classmates, whatever it be, are up to and doing at the moment. This will not be a feature that will give you popularity. Although, hey, there could be some viral, funny TikTok Now photos that just like capture an insane moment, but the chances of that are highly unlikely, and I can't see this being an option to expand your TikTok following in the future. If you guys liked this tutorial and overview of the new TikTok Now feature, please leave a like on the video. It helps it grow, and also subscribe to the channel. I am closing in on 100,000 subscribers. We're about like 10K away, and I cannot wait to hit that milestone if I ever do. Gaining that silver play button would mean so much, so if you did subscribe, it would mean a ton. With that being said, have yourselves a fantastic day. Peace. See ya later.
Thank you for watching the video.